wake up slowly to the morning light, breathing softly, everything's alright. I can see the sunshine through my eyes, another chance, another life. I hear the silence calling me, a peaceful whisper underneath. And I thank God for letting me stay, for guiding me another day. I'm not asking for the world tonight, I just want the strength to keep my life. Thank God for my life, for every breath inside me, for every tear that made me strong when I was weak and lonely. Thank God for my life, for the love that surrounds me. I don't need riches in my hands, just peace inside of me. Every morning I think of my home, of all the hearts that I have known, my family, friends, and teachers too. I pray for them the whole day through. Sometimes fear lives deep in me, but faith becomes my remedy. And when the darkness fills my mind, God reminds me I can rise. I'm not searching for a crown of gold, just a heart that never grows cold. Thank God for my life, for every breath inside me, for every scar that made me heal when pain was all around me. Thank God for my life, for the hope that still saves me. I only wish a quiet soul and love enough to keep me. Take my fears away tonight, hold my soul when I can't fight, stay beside me through the rain, help me smile through every pain. Thank God for my life, for every morning rising, for every dream I still can hold, and every heart beside me. Thank God for my life, I place my trust completely. I don't need everything this world can give, just peace and you with me.